At Smokeless Chimney, we put a 200 nanometer light source and burned our wood stove on a cold May day. A sneak peek at a new chart. The chart we show at nearly every video, the opacity and color shift, are indicators of how the wood stove is performing. The incident light is measured in lux. This is the data coming off the sensor and can be used in post-test analysis. The red, green, and blue filtered diodes provide much information. The clear or unfiltered diode represents even more information. This brings us to the new chart where we do some math and take a percentage of deviation from the high point. This gives us overlapping data. In fact, I can't even select the clear in the data to separate it. If we isolate our opacity only, can we determine the time above 20%? That first peak is around 1 minute. How large or how long is that peak between 2 and 3 hours? Looking at the data, I can tell you it's 9 minutes. And what is the law? Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.